For me, making YouTube videos is like sex. It's something I like doing, doesn't mean I'm necessarily good at it, and it's a one-man show. However, I would like to improve, so I've invested in some new material to help me do so. No, not that. My greatest Achilles heel with making YouTube videos has been sound. It's been terrible. It's plagued me to no end. And so I decided to buy, this microphone setup, which is actually very handy. And it even came in this very practical little pouch. The only thing is, when I put the dead cat on, the dead cat is this thing here, this fluffy thing, it doesn't fit. So I decided to make something. And this is it. Now it's empty, of course, now because I'm using the material to actually film, but it's very practical. It means I can carry these things around and, it's not like in a bag like it was before. The reason I use this is because it looks fucking hideous. This is my daughter's lunchbox, but she doesn't use it anymore. And the thing is, I think if it looks so ridiculous, then probably thieves won't want to steal it. Well, not as readily, but of course, knowing thieves, they're so fucking thick, they probably would try, but sod it. But anyway, enough prattle. Now this is the montage of me actually making that, so you see how I did it. So there you go. It's actually rather easy, but it's a lot of work, I'll give you that. And it can get very messy. So again, just like sex. One good thing is that it's absolutely reversible. I can just pull this out and my daughter can have her lunchbox back, which is always good. So thank you very much if you made it this far. Please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, share and comment. And if you'd like to watch a video on more DIY shenanigans, then click on the video above. For something completely different, click on the video below. Thanks very much again. Hope to see you in a future video. I bid you all farewell.